So let's see how measure curve length of any tube, hose or pipe having a in kind of length. Okay, so this is non-parametric model. So first we require the tube center line of any of these tube. I already extract the tube center line of this first tube. Let's see how to extract this curve first. Just go to the menu, insert, derive curve, and then we will to find out extract virtue curve here. Expand and select tube center line, change to tangent faces and select any top face. Okay, let's select, click OK. So you get the tube center line. Now go to the measure, in node selection filter, change curve, single curve, change to the tangent curve, and just select tube center line which is extracted. Okay, here it is length 224.0893. Okay, we have this value. We have one more command for this. Just go to the menu, edit, then curve and length. Actually this command used for the extend or shortens the curve, but you can use this command for measure the curve length also. Okay, so basically this command, when you started newly, this command started on the incremental, started and natural. So for measure the curve length, you need to change length incremental to total, and here in single curve change to the tangent curve. Just select the curve. If you are able to see, it shows the selection exact the tube center line. Okay, and here it show the value, tube center line value. Okay, okay, this is one of the method. Then another method is, if you model the tube or hose in electrical or mechanical routing domain, then you can directly measure the arc length, curve length, spline length. Okay, suppose for example you draw the tube like this. Okay, now only double clicking of this spline, you can easily tell what is the spline length or total curve length of this body. Okay, by using the simple measure command, you can also tell what is the curve length of this. And as we tell already, by using curve length also you can able to measure the curve length. By using these three different way, you can measure the curve length.